Hi Daniel, welcome to Frankfurt.
Thank you.
How many times have you connected here?
32.
Wow, are we your favourite airport in Europe?
One of them,
What are your other favourites?
Copenhagen, and my home airport, Gothenburg.
Interesting. What is your favourite airline?
I get asked this often, and it's a very hard question to answer, but if I had to choose, I'd say Qatar, Oman Air, Singapore, and Lufthansa also has a special place in my heart.
Really? How many times have you flown Lufthansa?
54.
What is your favourite aircraft type?
Oh, comfort-wise, the A380 and the A350, but looks-wise, the A340-600 and the 757.
Do you have a favourite manufacturer?
Yes,
Oh really? Have you ever visited an aircraft production line?
I have in Hamburg.
Did you like it?
Of course.
How do you deal with jet lag?
Sleep and drink.
Drink alcohol?
No.
What's your favourite in-flight drink?
Asian carriers do this very well. I love Cathay Pacific's Oriental Breeze and the lemon mint juice on Middle Eastern carriers.
What is your go-to place for a drink at Frankfurt Airport?
The Weissbier at Catfish is amazing.
We love that too. What have you done this summer?
Traveled all over.
Where did you go?
I spent almost all of June in Asia, and then I spent the last few weeks in New York.
New York, nice. What did you do there?
I was visiting my dad and his side of the family, so we got to spend some good quality time.
Do you miss them when you're not in New York?
Absolutely.
Do they watch your videos?
Yep. They love giving constructive criticism.
Who's your biggest fan in your family?
Definitely my dad.
Have you ever taken him on a trip with you?
Not yet, but I'm waiting for the right time.
Do you ever take any people with you?
Oscar gets to come now and then, and some friends have actually got upgraded when traveling with me.
Wow. Do you enjoy travelling with other people?
Of course.
Do you ever make friends at your destinations?
If I'm doing something social, I try my best.
What kind of social activities?
I like trekking and volunteering.
You like volunteering?
Yep.
And what's the best place you volunteered at?
South Africa and Thailand. I had 2 amazing trips to those places.
And what is the worst place you volunteered at?
A second-hand store in Paris.
What were you doing in Paris?
I was trying to better my French before my last year of the IB so that I could get the best grade, but I just had a great time staying with friends in Auntie for 3 weeks.
Do you speak French now?
Un peu.
What other languages do you speak?
Swedish and English fluently.
And German?
I understand it, but I can't speak it.
Did you learn German at school?
Yes, since 1st grade actually.
No way. What was your favourite school subject?
I love social sciences, and in high school, English lit.
What's your favourite book?
My favorite books are actually plays. I love A Streetcar Named Desire and 6 Degrees of Separation.
And how often do you read?
I just started reading 1 book a week, and I really like it so far.
Wow. Do you also read magazines?
Only on planes.
What else do you do on planes?
TV shows, always TV shows.
And what's your go-to?
I like Family Guy and South Park when we have it on planes, but also, I guess The Big Bang Theory and Qatar just got me into Bob's Burgers.
Are you ever scared of flying?
Only on low-cost carriers.
What advice do you have for people with a fear of flying?
There are so many free resources on YouTube to help you with that. There's really no reason to continue living in fear.
What is your biggest fear?
Losing someone I love.
What makes you most happy?
Being with people I love.
What does a good night with friends look like?
Long Swedish summer nights with plenty of snacks and talking.
Swedish summer nights, huh?
Yep, the long days are the best.
Have you ever experienced 24-hour daylight?
I actually have, last summer in Svalbard.
How was it?
Amazing, but it actually made me feel more tired.
How many places have you been to?
About 50 countries.
And remind us, how old are you?
Just turned 21.
What is your star sign?
I'm a Taurus.
Do you believe in star signs?
No.
Talking about star, what is your favourite alliance?
Sorry, Star Alliance. I just prefer the elite benefits on One World.
Do you have any elite statuses?
Yes, I'm gold on United and silver on British Airways.
And how did you earn them?
On United through a status challenge, and on British Airways through lots of flying on Qatar.
What's your most frustrating travel experience?
Anytime there's slot delays.
And your best missed connection?
I guess when I was 11 and I was traveling through Düsseldorf to see my dad in New York for the first time. Put us up in a great hotel.
Any others?
Yes, last summer when I was, or actually 2 summers ago, I was flying United and we had to return to Heathrow, so they put us up in a great hotel, got food vouchers, and they gave us $1,100 in compensation.
Do you prefer cities or nature?
I like cities for a few days, but nature is just more sustainable for me.
What is a necessity when travelling?
An internet connection?
You don't like to disconnect?
Not for more than a few days, then it gets to be time to update my Instagram story.
What's the worst thing you've forgotten at home?
My passport.
How many times?
3.
Are you a forgetful person?
Not really. I just have a ton of bags and sometimes my passport is in the wrong one.
How many citizenships do you have?
2, Sweden and the US.
Which passport do you use most often?
Sweden nowadays.
How many stamps do you have on it?
Too many.
On another note, thoughts on joining the Mile High Club?
The Mile High what?
If you could tell your viewers one thing, what would it be?
Please subscribe.
No, seriously.
If I can do this, you can do it too. All it takes is time and research, guys.
Is it hard to resist the temptation of free flights from airlines?
I know for some YouTubers it is, but for me, my priority is honesty, so it doesn't make it so hard.
So how do you pay then?
I'm actually making a detailed video series on this coming soon on my channel.
Alright, we're nearing the end. What has been the highlight of this tour?
This!
Favourite places for plane spotting?
Frankfurt, and I'm being serious.
And finally, what's your next destination?
I'm going home to Sweden, Gothenburg for 5 weeks, and then I head to Seoul, South Korea for my fall semester of university.
Alright, thanks so much for joining us, Dan. Have a good flight home.
Thank you.
Wait, do you think he knows he can't just walk to the gate?